Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur, and today we're at Bommarito Honda to take a look at the 2019 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport TRG. Here we go. So let's review the 2019 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport TRG, featured here in Rallye red exterior with black leather trim seats. This vehicle is offered by Bommarito Honda in St. Louis. For additional information, contact Aaron Harrington. His contact information is listed below. Here we see the LED taillights, tailgate spoiler. As we drop down, we see the Duel Exhaust. This vehicle also has the Aero kit. As we move around to the passenger profile, we get a great look at the passenger profile. The side mirrors are power heated side mirrors with the turn indicators built in. As far as wheels and tires, we have 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped with P235/40 R18-inch all-season tires. And we move around to the front, we see the LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, auto high beam, auto on-off headlights. As we dive into the interior, we have a 60/40 rear split fold-down seats. And we move around, we take a look at the driver's compartment. As we move to the driver and passenger front seats, we can see the black leather wrapped steering wheel with the fingertip controls. Great look at the center stack, the leather wrapped shift knob, and the passenger seat is a 4-way power passenger seat. In the rear, we have two levels of heating for the rear seats, a high and a low, which is really nice for the rear compartment. Here we see a great look at the center stack, as well as the steering wheel with the steering wheel fingertip controls. And we move up and see the power moonroof. The windows in the front are power one touch down and one touch up windows for both driver and passenger. Here's the driver's instrument cluster. You can see you have paddle shifters on the steering wheel as well as fingertip controls on the steering wheel. And here you can see the center stack. We have a premium audio system with 12 speakers, display audio with Honda navigation, voice recognition, multi-view rear camera. We'll show that in a minute. Both driver and passenger are heated front seats, 3 levels of heating. You can see the electronic parking brake, and here we're touching the economy and sport function on the transmission. It reflects here in the instrument cluster. We do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth hands-free. You can also see the dual zone climate control there. There's a navigation as we go through the functionality of the touch screen. Push button start. Here we see the backup camera. We do have adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking system, lane keeping, lane assist, road departure mitigation, tilt telescoping steering wheel, the center console has a nice tray on top as well as plenty of room for storage. And then you can see here the center console can slide forward for a little bit more comfortable room for the driver. It covers up one of the cup holders, so you simply slide it back if you need both cup holders. There you can see the paddle shifters. Here you can see the sport pedals as well as the 8-way power driver's seat. As far as cargo capacity, you have 25.7 cubic feet of rear cargo space with the seats up. Also have a privacy cover there. The engine is a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder which produces 180 horsepower, delivering 30 miles per gallon city and 36 highway.